All right, let's look at the homework 9.1, problem number 5. All right, a population is modeled by the differential equation. So this is the logistic equation here. So it's a 1.2 p times quantity 1 minus p over 4100. All right, so for what value of p is the population increasing? All right. So let's answer that question. Right? So if you multiply it out, you see that this is going to be a quadratic equation in P. So graph is going to be a parabola, right? Then because of this negative sign, because P, so you're going to have a negative sign in front of the P squared. So which means that the graph is actually facing down, right? So we have, if you set this equal to 0, let's find the p-intercept. All right, so we have, then you can see that, of course, p equals 0 is one of the p-intercept, right? And another one is when p is equal to 4100, this quantity is going to be 0. So you have a 4100, right? Those are actually the equilibrium solutions. So answer would be p equals 0 here, p equals 4100, right? So maybe we should put that number in first. So this is going to be 0, right? So 0, comma 4100, all right? Then you know that it's a facing down parabola. So here is our p-axis, right? Then it's going to go through 0 and 4100, right? So graph is going to be more or less looking like this, all right? So if p is a population p is increasing, so this is the derivative dp over dt. We want derivative to be positive so that the p is going to be increasing. So you can see that between 0 and 4100, the derivative is positive, which means that the population is increasing. All right, so we can put between 0 and 4100. The population is increasing, right? And let's see, and for what value population is decreasing? So you can see that after 4100, it's going to be negative. We're not going to look at this one because we can't really talk about the negative population. So we're going to just talk about the 4100 and on. All right, so let's type those guys in. All right, so it's going to be between 0 and 4100, and also here is going to be 4100 to infinity. So infinity is, let's see, I have to find a symbol there. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, I just wanted to try something a little bit different. I would actually include 0 and 4100. So let's say if I put a bracket there and see if it still takes the answer. So I'm going to say submit for testing again. All right, it came back actually. Oh, actually, well, because this one have to have that, and it looks like they don't like the having square brackets, so I'll stick with the parentheses here and parentheses there. All right, then it should be fine. All right, so I'm gonna just submit again just to make sure that all right, so back to correct again. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.